If your KitchenAid freestanding ice machine is not making ice or the compressor is not running, the start relay on the compressor could be the culprit. I'm David with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to test and replace it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by getting our tools together. For today's work, we'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a multimeter, and a light. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your freestanding ice machine or turn the breaker off. If the compressor is not running, guess what? It won't make ice. Either it is not getting voltage from the main control board or the start relay is not working and starting the compressor. It can also be a compressor that has failed. Let's explore all these situations. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electric shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. Now plug the unit back in. You will need to pull the ice machine out and check for voltage at the start device. Remove the cardboard cover and using a multimeter set for AC voltage, check for 120 volts at the red wire going into the overload. The ice machine needs to be in a normal run mode to read voltage coming from the control board. If voltage is there, either the start device is bad or the compressor is bad. If there is no voltage present, the control board is bad. You can check the winding of the compressor this way. First, unplug the unit. Remove the relay from the compressor. Set your multimeter to ohms. Check from the common, which is the top pin, to one of the other pins. 1 to 5 ohms would be at the run windings. 3 to 11 would be at the start windings. Next, check from the common to the other pin. You will get 1 to 5 or 3 to 11. Go across the 2 pins at the bottom. You should read between 4 and 16 ohms, the total of the run and start windings. Any reading that shows open or way out of range would indicate a bad compressor. To check the start relay, set your multimeter to continuity and go from the M pin or run to the white wire terminal. You should have continuity. Then check from the S pin to the white wire terminal. You should also have continuity. If you do not have continuity on the S or M, the relay is bad. If both tests are good, then the relay is good. If your compressor windings check out and you have proper voltage at the compressor, you still may have a bad compressor. Next, check each pin to the metal casing of the compressor. If your meter beeps and shows continuity, that means the windings are shorted to ground and that compressor's done. Same goes if your resistance readings are outside of those ranges. In either case, you're looking at a bad compressor that needs replacing. To replace the relay, simply remove the wires and pull the relay off. Here's the old start relay and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new one by aligning the holes on the relay to the pins on the compressor and pushing it on. Install the wires and you should be ready to test it out. Great job on testing and replacing the start relay on your KitchenAid freestanding ice machine. We'd love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you find yourself in need of any replacement parts, just head over to AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for choosing AppliancePartsPros.com as your repair partner, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.